The alligators, but they're only about 6 inches long when they're born. They're not very big. So you have things like great blue herons, great white egrets, raccoons, catfish, other alligators. The list goes on and on. So let's say like 50 of them hatched, maybe 5 to 7 of them will make it to adulthood. It's really only about 10% with them. It's not a lot. Now, do any of y'all know how to tell the difference between an alligator and a crocodile?
No.
Yeah.
Nobody?
Nose is wider.
Snout it is. Now, there's a lot of different ways you could tell. The snout's just the most defining thing they go off of. Crocs have that long pointed snout. Alligators have shorter, rounder snouts. They actually taught me another way though too, how to tell the difference between the two of them. Foolproof. As long as you know this way, you'll never get it wrong. But they told me that one's going to see you later and one will see you after a while. Yeah, my last target didn't laugh at the other either. What kind of child is that? Yeah, they don't have crocs here, so anything you're going to see in Louisiana is an American alligator. They do have crocodiles in Florida, down by the Everglades, but they are endangered. There's not a lot of those left. They have like around 3,000 of them. But other than that, you have the American alligator, then you have Chinese alligators, and then you have crocodiles. But they're all in the crocodilian family. Crocs do get bigger. They're a lot more aggressive. The teeth go all kind of crazy, which ways as well. Actually, with alligators, like if y'all looking at those heads in our gift shop, anywhere that really sells an alligator head too, if you look by their teeth, you'll actually notice there are holes in their jaw. So when they close their mouth, their teeth fit those. That's why you don't really see them a lot. The bottom teeth you can't see at all. Their top teeth you kind of see hanging over the sides too. I'm more uniform too. Now, if it was good and warm in this water, would y'all swim out here? Bunch of babies. Now, I swim out here all the time. Daytime, nighttime, I've done it my whole life. If you're from here, you're not scared to get in this water. The only time I've ever even been close to an alligator in this water is when I jump off the front of a boat. Hold on tight though, it is a wild ride. It's like our cow tip. So, yeah, delete that. Now,